mesmerized like zombies as we worship our TVs. They advertise with lovely lies to sell us what we need. We value style over substance, fail to see it's just skin deep. It's a plastic paradise that we're living in, where everything is nice and nothing is a sin. You can have it all, forget about the Are you feeling artificial?